Okay, today we have the Accent Challenge Carl edition. Number one, we have Jimmy. Number two, we have Jimmy's mom. Number three, this is a good one, Jimmy's mom. Number four, I like this one. This one's good too, Jimmy's mom. And number five, we have Croissant. Okay, today we have the Accent Challenge Carl Edition Part 2. Number one, we have llama, 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 ha ha, woo. Okay, sorry about that. Number two, we have William Shakespeare. I've heard he's a cool guy. Number three, ooh, that's new, Jimmy's mom. Number four, oh God, my scapula. Oh God, where's my inhaler? Oh, that's better. Oh God, oh jeez. Okay, today we have the Accent Challenge Carl Edition Part 3. Number one, relax, Jimmy. Underneath this hefty exterior is a solid wall of muscle. Number two, nuh-uh, Sheen. You're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad than I am. Number three, hey Jimmy, someone wrote on the walls. They're gonna get in trouble. Number four, oh my foot. Oh God, oh my spleen. Oh Christ. Today we have the Accent Challenge Carl Edition Part 4. Number one, yeah, well, you see, guys, I was making us name tags, and I accidentally added a P in Amigos. Number two, sorry, ladies, but I'm gonna have to search you. Number three, brown shoes with a black belt. I think not. Try the diner down the block. Number four, Jimmy's mom's got it going on. Jimmy's mom's got it going on. Number five, daylight. Wake up feeling like you won't play right. I usually know, but now that shit don't feel right. It made me put away my pride. Oh! Okay, today we have the Accent Challenge Carl Edition Part 5. Number one, Jimmy. Did I just catch you simping? Number two, this is my inhaler. It provides fast-acting relief of bronchial swelling due to asthma or allergies. Number three, hi, Jimmy's mom. Number four, ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, today we have the Accent Challenge Carl Edition Part 6. Number one, okay, I don't like it in here. Number two, actually, the hot dog holder deluxe, also known as the Versa Bun, it not only holds hot dogs, it is also a stylish hat, a butterfly with fat wings, a comfy seat cushion at your favorite sporting event, and, as you see it right before your very eyes, it's gone. Ooh, what happened to the hot dog holder deluxe? Number three, I want the cheese. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.